Google. Google.
My name is Gugal. I'm a puppy, just 1 month old. There are 30 days in a month, so I'm just 30 days old puppy. I was born at a beautiful place called Simdega in Jharkhand, India. From where I came to this house. In this house, there was a bully dog called WhatsApp and a naughty doggy, very naughty doggy called Mowgli, which scared me very much. I was all alone, depressed and sad. From there, my mummy and my papa adopted and brought me with them in a box by car in my home. My mama gave me collar with anklet. Ma, everybody loves me very much and calls me Google.
Google! 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 Where are you, Google? Come first!
Google. Google.
I love this name, Gugal. Isn't it good name? My mummy papa loves me very much and I love them too. But I am a bit naughty and that's why I get trapped always. My mama cooks for me and I wait with my papa. Both feed me with so much love. Let me go, papa. Let me go, papa. Papa, 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 papa. Yummy. I will be healthy and will grow up very fast because I eat healthy food and play in outdoor very much. And when I get tired, I sleep on my mom's shoes as pillow. But I don't snore. I sleep peacefully and silently. What is here? Who's inside?
Google!
Oh, it's bathroom. Mom, sorry mama. I love video very much. That's why my papa makes video of me. I'll bring cute videos in my channel. Cute, very cute. So please subscribe the channel and share with all your friends because the party has just begun. Let's go, Papa. Papa, for play, Papa. Papa, don't worry. We will play, Papa. We will play only. My treat, Papa. My treat, Papa.